Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Bennington LX Fastback. This is the captain and co-captain's chair quad bench seating arrangement, one of our most popular seating arrangements on one of Bennington's newest boat models. This boat is the ocean blue main panel with the flat black smooth accent, has the integrated docking lights and navigation lights. This boat is a tri-tune with our SPS performance package on it, and we do have it powered with a YAMAHA SHO super high output 175 horsepower engine. Come on to the back, let me show you some of my other favorite features. This boat does have the extended aft deck, which gives you lots of room to get on and off the boat, or just a place to lounge and hang out while people swim. We've got the curved ski tow bar on it, which aesthetically looks great. This fastback model has the rear cup holders with rear firing speakers. And one of my favorite features is the new lily pad ladder. This is spring and cable assisted to be able to open and deploy very easily, and it has 5 nice deep steps on it to get you in and out of the water quickly. Let's go back and meet up inside. Let me show you some more. All right, thanks for joining me inside. As I was saying, this is our quad lounger boat, so it has 4 chase loungers positioned at each corner of the boat. Has our captain and co-captain's chair. This is a removable sculpted table with built-in tray and cup holders as well. Come on around, let me show you the console. This has our all-new console on it for this year. It is the elevated console with the new Vivid dash. So here we have a 5-inch Vivid screen that gives you all of your boat data information and gauges. We have a 7-inch Vivid screen that controls all the lights, stereo, and other parts of the boat as well. And then we have our Simrad navigation screen over to the right-hand side. We have a quick knob to get to our stereo if you don't want to use the touch screen, a master power switch located right on the dash, and a very comfortable captain's helm that will recline, swivel, and slide back and forth to get you the best riding position on the boat. And of course, all Benningtons come with a 10-foot long bimini top and a full playpen cover. Looking forward to showing you this boat in person. Please come by and see us. Thank you.